Hello techies, we are in lab 5.1.10 and we are going to configure QoS. So you are the IT administrator for a small corporate network. Several employees have complained of slow internet bandwidth. You have discovered that the user stations on the guest Wi-Fi network are consuming much of your company's bandwidth. You have decided to use pfSense traffic shaper wizard to create the various rules needed to better control the bandwidth usage and to fine-tune the priority for the type of traffic used on your guest Wi-Fi network. So your network has one LAN and one WAN. In this lab, your task is to access the pfSense management console and then carry out all of the tasks following. All right, so this is a lab 5.1.10 and we're going to configure QoS. So let's start lab. Now, if you find this video to be too fast for you, I apologize for that. You can always pause this video and work at your own pace. I'm trying to make this video as fast as possible. So let us start up. We input the details. This is admin and then the password. You can always just copy password and paste there so that it is faster. So I'm going to copy the password here and just paste. Alright, so we are inside the console now. We'll go to firewall and we'll go down to aliases. Under aliases, we go to add and then under name, we are going to impute, let's see, okay, the name is going to be hi BW. So we can just copy this and paste there. Hi BW, and description is going to be hi bandwidth users. So we just copy this and paste so that it is faster. You can also type it in if you prefer. So we click on add host. Now we go to IP address is going to be 172.14.1.25. You're welcome to copy and paste if you prefer to. And then port address is going to be this. We just copy and paste here and we click on save. Alright, so we'll go to firewall again and we'll go to traffic shaper and go to wizards and traffic dedicated wizard, which is the second option, and we'll go to next and scroll, go to LAN, change this to guest Wi-Fi, and let's see, we'll go to upload. We are going to impute upload speed of 5 megabytes per second, so 5, and upload is going to be megabytes per second, and then download is going to be, let's do, for download is going to be 45 megabytes per second, so we're going to type in 45 here, and this is going to be mbit/s. So click next and we enable prioritize voice over IP traffic. Scroll down and upload rate for this is going to be let's see, an upload bandwidth for this is going to be 15, and this is going to be megabytes per second, and the download rate is going to be, let's see, this is it right here, it's going to be 20 megabytes per second. It's going to be 20, and okay, let's change this to megabytes per second. Click on next and enable penalize IP or alias, and address is going to be, let's see the address that was given. Let's see. Hi BW, and the bandwidth is going to be 2% of the bandwidth. All right, so this is going to be 2%, and we're going to click next and scroll down and click next. And we scroll down, we click next again. We enable other networking protocol. Ensure you check this. Scroll down, and MSRDP, this is going to be higher priority, and VNC, this is going to be higher priority also. Scroll down, and PPTP is going to be higher priority. IPsec is going to be higher priority. So we scroll down and we click on next and we click finish. But we're not done yet. And let's see. We go to firewall and we go to rules. And under rules, we go to floating. And when you get to floating, let's scroll down and see the other options available here. Okay, so let's check the questions. How many firewall rules were created? Okay, so according to the information we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is going to be 7. And we'll go ahead and minimize this for now. We are not ready to Scholar yet, so let's go to edit here. Scroll down to guest Wi-Fi and select guest Wi-Fi, and then for this you're going to select let's see, order, and here you're going to type in 3391, and here is already written there, so no need. And scroll down, we're going to save this and apply changes. Let's go ahead and answer the question that is left. Go ahead and score lab. If you find this video to be helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Comment below if you have any question. Thank you for watching, and I'll definitely see you in my next video.